They held the king in awe because they saw he had wisdom from God to administer justice. 1 Kings chapter 3, verse 28.
Welcome to today's encouragement from Our Daily Bread. The Way Wisdom Works was written by Katey and read by Tony Collier.
1 Kings chapter 3, verses 16 through 21 and 24 through 28. Now 2 prostitutes came to the king and stood before him. One of them said, "Pardon me, my lord. This woman and I live in the same house, and I had a baby while she was there with me. The 3rd day after my child was born, this woman also had a baby. We were alone. There was no one in the house but the 2 of us. During the night, this woman's son died because she lay on him. So she got up in the middle of the night and took my son from my side while I, your servant, was asleep. She put him by her breast and put her dead son by my breast. The next morning, I got up to nurse my son, and he was dead. But when I looked at him closely in the morning light, I saw that it wasn't the son I had born." Then the king said, "Bring me a sword." So they brought a sword for the king. He then gave an order, "Cut the living child in 2 and give half to one and half to the other." The woman whose son was alive was deeply moved out of love for her son and said to the king, "Please, my lord, give her the living baby. Don't kill him." But the other said, "Neither I nor you shall have him. Cut him in 2. Then the king gave his ruling, "Give the living baby to the first woman. Do not kill him. She is the mother." When all Israel heard the verdict the king had given, they held the king in awe because they saw he had wisdom from God to administer justice. The Way Wisdom Works, written by Katey. As a child, I brought home a report card with all S's, which stood for satisfactory. My sister, who was 5 years older than me, had a mixture of A's and B's. I thought our report cards proved I was smarter because I had what I thought was the equivalent of all A's. My older brother then proceeded to offer us a test. He went to my parents' bookshelf and pulled out a book. He asked me to read a passage. I stumbled, only recognizing a few words. My sister read the passage flawlessly. My brother declared her the smartest. Lesson learned. His test proved to be wise. The people in Israel learned a lesson on wisdom from King Solomon in 1 Kings. 2 women had delivered babies. One baby died when his mother accidentally lay on him. This mother then tried to claim the living baby as her own. The women went to Solomon to ask who should keep the baby. When he heard the complaint, he ordered that the living baby be cut in 2 so both women could have a half of the child. The woman who was not the mother agreed to this order. But the true mother said, "Give her the living baby. Don't kill him." When she spoke up to save the child, Solomon ruled that she was the mother and said to give her the baby. Solomon's God-given wisdom was on full display. As God helps us, our actions can show others the true wisdom that comes from Him too. Let's pray. God, we thank you that true wisdom comes from you and not from our assumptions or comparisons. Teach us to seek your discernment with humble hearts, trusting the wisdom you freely give to guide us in truth and love. Thank you, Lord. It's in Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
As you go about your day, reflect on these questions. What decisions do you need wisdom for today? How can you find wisdom?
الترقاق بلغور بلاور العربي كلبسي أمهو لايكا جدل سير سأريلا هارت سأريلا هاي بلاد سأريلا ستروك سأريلا سوكال سأريلا كاسينوما mas arela kaut malmut terbebira diakan mukal seel pembungil melil takalal mongang engkalal mongang amu la diakan mukal seerem mas maluben seer belaur elang O mga lelalaw, ngidilaw, adi mo na raw kuil diakan mukal ser, erbelaw elang. Bumadu el bakalaw karakalim, adi akan mukal ser erbelaw elang, adi sa arelalaw. Moli ibo osing maralaw, intombelaw, yos araw.
Research shows that hackers may already be inside your network. Ransomware, email scams, service disruptions, cyber theft. Guardian Cyber helps organizations identify hidden threats, remove hackers from their systems, and strengthen their defenses before serious damage is done. We provide cybersecurity assessments, network cleanup, ransomware recovery, digital forensics, and expert guidance tailored for Palau and the Pacific. Guardian Cyber, Palau's cybersecurity experts, ready when you need us. For more information, email guardiancyber19@gmail.com or visit guardiancyber.online.
Palau Visitors Authority, 15 days public notice, July 1 to 15, 2026. The public is hereby informed that the Palau Visitors Authority of the Government of Palau will be soliciting proposals from interested CPA firms to conduct the single audit for Palau Visitors Authority for the fiscal year 2025-2026. The specifications, along with evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available soon. A new period for submitting proposals will begin immediately after expiration of this notice and shall continue for 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days as determined appropriate by the Managing Director. For more information regarding this notice, please contact Judy N. Sabino at Palau Visitors Authority at telephone 488-2793, 488-1930, fax 488-1453, email judy@pristine.pw.
Subdarakodal makamaldil. Jakadebel subdarakodal lalagtabdrin niya tet sing it sato. Ngiroy lang inawo Sebaklim. Ertruy Harper's Kang. Hitpik James ngilaadeng. Maadal belugalisto Joseph. El morarowil adril el ngarang ayang al babaldab orior mayoldab el kmo. Ang algede o ledra Denver Sebaklim. El ngalgela vanihi Sebaklim. Maatanasyan giraloy Sebaklim. Amlos meera Sunday, el June 21, 2026, mapadangel nga ramor. Akmaldile lang galbuy, amlamotroko kol moringira Friday, el July 17, 2026, el di moringira Palau Mortuary, madiba modingay, edi mongira klo, eko makail sub, del di mamray ruriula. Komsulang, yarubakal Dios, lobanggether rokui. Signed, Tet Sing It Sato, niroy lang inawo Sebaklim, Ertruy Harper's Kang, Itpik James ngilaadeng, other belu kalisto Joseph. Subdra al-Dura Vance Reklai. Dia subdra al-Dura Vance Reklai al ngalgela festina Kyota mafrani Reklai. Mas pesul masaw bedor, giradilu batamir mang South Junior, i other meteng la arboy low, u elvigas naway doong, Ngirmir Basyo Kyota, ma-ambassador Hersi Kyota, am subdra rokwil adamam rababaldab, yoldab, maorior, el-gilel tial el-dadu. Mam asang am lamot rokul moringira sarude el July 11, 2026, ra riptay drang amalal, lomu ra 9:30 AM, el motu 2:30 PM. Magim subdra adamam raigal belu, mangram lunguy agim subde olngit raw el rute 5 el balaw, mau LB lilo lang ng mga saw, mamosub darangal gradilub e may mga sukumam. Agi direk kalmusub darangal kelam lerunguram owang, el ngiray galaw beyo, rangal gela brands ngiram kati, marangal gela taldil, radil mala al rose masubda, mamgas pasubde may madkay nga sew. Agi direk kalolngit rangal gelam lengir turong yamasagi ringil, marangal gela wadal adi ramka, malmay magim kay nga sew. Agi direk kalmusub darangal gela madalyang wasisang, mamgas pasubda load e may madkay nga sew. O sisulsub damuran rangal gela olgril, railong uduy, marbebi rakaw, mamay madkay nga sew. Agi direk kalmusub darangal gela sa
midal, Raymond rengil, mosub dar baby ragaw may madakay nga sew. Agi direkal masub dar ngalge lalo, ray other mateng arboy, mamosub dar baby ragaw marangal may madakay nga sew. O sisiul sub da moran ngalge lamle, booy lang hilabrang ngirong hotel, Lilian Marsil, may gaw mar baby ragaw, marangalge madakay nga sew. Agi direkal masub dar ngirak lang chance kabong, mamosub dar rubum maru ulem, marbekal ngal may madakay nga sew. Ngat pang agi masub de olngitra President Surang Alwips Jr., madalal rabe ekaldil evacuota, mamosub darangal grainglay, may mga suma mertial aldadu ra Vance Reklai. Agi direkal masub dara rideb o kadati itong, rigel rablu the ening klol av, rangalgela amlew eldigas alab the, rangalgela amaredong, rangalgela ngiringetrang, mamgas pasub the longal may madakay nga sew. Agi direkal masub dara rangalgela amle riiwang emasyol, ra amanya, mamosub dar baby rakaw may madakay nga sew. O sisil sub dara aldadu amuran ngalgela tawrengel, rali Ochob the madalal ra ebil ra yung lulay Ochob the mamosub dara rangal may madakay nga sew. Agi direkal masub dara rangalgela amlebe ekaldil lugo sa yaab, marangalgela uel the may, mamgas pasub de may madakay nga sew. Ngiwa lagi masub dara rangalgela ngartaw idaong, raraheler di alul, mamosub dara baby rakaw may madakay nga sew. Malgayo kagim sub dara hidensyo dalngali, mangalagel ragim berli the may, malmay magim gay nga sew. Agi direkal masub dara Roslyn Rubas, ertial aldadu, malmay magim gay nga sew. Agi direkal masub dara diraw eldengs, Regina masablu, marangalagel, mamay mamnga sumam. Ng esar, yagim sub dara yadra bitaltao at trumen ngirmang, olngit mamosub dara adada marangalag may madakay nga sew. Agi direkal masub dara ngalgela tabalwal, malmay magim gay nga sew. Agi direkal masub dara maluis ngirmaait, ertial aldadu, malmay magim gay nga sew. Ngar along ay masub dara obakarbaw marhens madrang ar, erti kulang skang, iyo lukurtis elobt, masub dara ngal gramtawi may madakay nga sew. Agi direkal olngit dara obakara yabukol Lorenzo Niramolaw, maadalbay rang atibang Ephraim, mamosub dara ngal grang atibang maugal may madakay nga sew. O sisilsub da moran ngal gelamle ebil raymay, sariang may, marbebi ringi, may madakay nga sew. Agi direkal masub dara ngal gelar ra ebil ralay Maria ruur, madiruk Faustina ruur maruk, mamgas pasub dalongal may madakay nga sew. Olay, tiatugubet sa spadela Ambassador Hersi Kyota, maodal ra Regina masablu, el moratulungal gramarao, mataalto erabalur olay, mamay mga sukuma martialulbong lal sungula Vance Reklai, el ngalgelatar gamam ra festina Kyota. Magikmalol tur ratet, marubul marmasil tial tulungal, olngitange suraroko ilngal, mamay mga sukumam. O sisiwil spadir tigal teruloav, amoratulungal gra sa ersay, el masub de olngit mamgas pasub del bekalav, may madakay nga sewer tial momulbong lal sungula Vance Reklai. Ngartmaw agim subdra arbadul ratablak Marino Tomas, mamosub dra rangal gratablak, may madakay nga sew. Agi direkal masubdra or Mersay Presley at Tiber, mamosub dra adadra nga dilingil, may madakay nga sew. O sisiulsub da mura ngirgabay Joshua kumangay, mamosub dra adadra ngirgabay, malmay mal nga sukumam. Agi direkal masubdra ngalgela ngiray galaw, raadalbay rabayo, Jan ngiray galaw, mamosub dara baby rakaw, may madakay nga sew. Mali yato kubet salsub da murar irikla, o isabol o bakarbaw, mosub dara ruudam marangalgem, moltur gar dalam, may madakay nga sew. Orior agim sub dara ngalgela dalngali, rangirurik le Pedro dalngali, rangalgela tolngaloy ra dedi troli, rangalgela ebil ra sadakot tadawo, mosub dara roko ilngalga, may madakay nga sew. Agi direkal masub dara ngalgela Olblay Beans, ra Oligong Matigay Wilson Olblay, Nginakasil Francisco Madebora Tirso, mosub dara ngalge may madakay nga sew. O sisil sub dara aldadu amor ngalgela ng Ochob at Abrigul, marangalgela Tilay Erungla, marangalgela Tage Mura Erungla, marangalgela Tagesi erungla, mosub dara bekal ngalga may madakay nga sew. Agi direkal masub dara ngalgela Bedor Beans, ra odray to siye keldermens, mas pasung masawo Bedor,
Marangalge lamleng irakabaw Roman Bedor, mamkaspasub de may longal gamadakay nga sew. Tokobetselsub da mura agigo sugyama marangalgel, may madakay nga sew. O sisilsub dra aldo ra Vance li Reklai, amura rangalge la humio Kyota, Ravan marbebi rakaw, rangalge la Toshio Kyota, rangirmir basyo Kyota, mardialul alons Kyota, marbebi rakamiw. Rangalge lagi Miko Kyota, ra Marcela Kasole, marbebi rakaw. Rangalge la Shiro Kyota, rangira karkur Steven Kyota, marbebi rakaw. Rangalge la Masuo Kyota, ra Michael, marbebi rakaw. Rangalge la Asako Sasawo, ra Vicendra Masayuri, marbebi rakamiw. Mosub dra rokulngal ge may madakay nga sew. Agi direk kalmisub de olngit ra Benito Tomas Orengs, mamspadatiri marbebi rakaw. Marangalge la Ongino, marangalge la Mistru, may madakay nga sew. Agi direk kalmisub de olngit ra rangalge la Senkichimat, ra Joseph Lee, mamarao, mamosub dra bebi rakamiw, may madakay nga sew. Ao sisulsub da mura rangalge la Sisuye, ra Anchelma, maodal ra ngirasakos Jerome, mamosub dra rangal may madakay nga sew. Ngayaw ragimsub dra rangal la Talob av Yurigo Luis, may madakay nga sew. Agik malolngit dra rokuil adamam, may madakay nga sew, at tial mo amungulbong al-sungula Vance li Reklai. Tial al-dadu amor ngira Saturday, July 11, 2026, ra riptay dra nga malaal. Ra 9:30 a.m. al 2:30 p.m. Mada kumpmal masula rokuy, yarubak kal Dios, lolmol malom aliw, elom kaltangat terki the rokuy.
Tial subadal mula reng stringi, adiagal spadel, madiagal tigingel, malub engul de swel at Yes Broadcasting Company, tiang aspadirar adulul top derngi e haraorngi, koh mal masulang.
Subdra kamal dila. Tia subdra kamal dila lang hotel o del MCC abrere lo rotra kabli raidit, rablur orior Direchuldak Katey o Giraked. Matia subdra kamal dila lang kalmaasol top derngi ibtul Alexander Merep, Reklai Rafael Baugirmang, Lula kalodal ng kalmaas, maru rayo lidid Ernesto Ngidobl, maru rat agil maluert matul, maklotraol sa Katiano, mardulaol sa Toru Adachi, ama alraidid president ng Ramatal, almalit matul, mongal maasal Direchuldak Katey o Giraked, amrosmer sira kotulurior, Monday, June 29, 2026, imlamotrok lakamaldilel morngir Ongeim lurior, Friday, July 10, 2026, rabay ramay berel ng Ramadalai, rablur orior. Ang kalmaas sa Direchuldak Katey o Giraked, ang mga mildil ratutal moswel bemadak raklo lolokul raidid ng ngarangarbodor orior. Patriga rubak raidid am subdra rokul adra igalbek kulturungal raidid el ngarngia omtilo taboyt ngarmesungil may tungolbay el ngaralse like micrel belaw maradamam rang ayang bubble daw orior mayol daw ertial kamaldilin ng kalmaas sa Direchuldak Katey o Giraked. At mamutang aloyti al sangmiw dalim at kaing isert tial mamulbong al sangulang kalmaas. Arubak kal Dios lolmol malamakal tangat tergidrokoy mablur orior. Sain na ibadul Alexander Merep. Tia subdra kodal makamaldi lultop drangya nginakarkor Stephen Kyota, manginabadil malwert matuol mangina Royce Francis Kip, mangirbalik Alons Moses, ilmsubdra rokul idril ngarbabal daw orior mayol daw muataraklol maasar gidra Direchuldak Katey o Giraked. Amnosmer sila June 29, 2026. Mlamotrok la kamaldil morngir Ongeim luriol Friday, July 10, 2026. Abatang ila maasal Direchuldak Katey o Giraked. Amotobler sale Friday etiw klor tutaw 9 a.m. Malamal tel murabay ramay brel nga ramadalai. Mga maldil momrek ratarklo rayata 12 1 p.m. Emral molta brablil el telgib emral momadak rolkul raidid ngarbodlo. Magimsub dara adamam ngaragal belu. Mang ayang lagim subdra ngalgel amdir or mutsuo del gu ra mokot marbebiringi marngalgel opkaltaro ramatski marbebiringi marngalgel aremeldil raniro marbebiringi marlong agim subdra ibdura lay Robert Tuti ma ebira lay Maria Ro mo subdra bek ladad marngal rale da ali mertel kamldil ngarara dagim subdra ngira Royce Francis Kip ma ebira Royce mi hayna kodep mo subdra bek ladad marngal ra Royce da alim Kaklagim subdra klulubak markurbas ma well fona benhart mo subdra bekla hemim da alim ni walagim subdra sigisol Alfonso lol ma ay langay Isabela ngimang mo subdra dat marangal ka agidre kal subdra ngalgel amlet titay Evil Lawrence rangirat ngir hiop subdra matitay Peggy Hanser marwiram inasyo mo subdra bekla dat marangal gemim da alim ngesara gim subdra ngalgel atang lay sapuro ra dirbis Rosi orok mo subdra bibirgaw emim da alim Aira kim subdra ngalgel Royce ngiramadalay gartang radilubay etna Raymond damspede Royce Helena Arurang Mosub dara bekal ngal ge mim dalim mertel gamaldil ram asel Direchuldak Katey o Giraked. O siul sub dara godal la magamaldil amur arbal tage wongir mugur mangmal miotu klolat. Mosub dara da de mim dalim. Maram nungwa kim sub dara ngina magti France madilia or France mim dalim. Oriore kamamal ngalgel arwetel ngarangal beeda masub dara ngira igalau Francisco Gibon sa mangir on ngabang rekoryo ngirbang rangamaldil la maasel Direchuldak Katey o Giraked. El nama terkok kulmornya Friday July 10, 2026. Ayo langit masuk dari bekal adat marangal gemim dalim. Ngarbe eda asuk ra osisul ngamaldi la mura brotegil la hermana Kyota marangal gel madir ragargur nona lui marangal gel mangal gel amle dir ragargur diruob ra dir ngar marang lili ludong marangal gel madi Lores adalbai marangal gel Sebastian matlap malordes matlap marbe biringi mangir belik Alonso Moses marbe biringi. Gas pasuk del bekal adat marangal Emaim da ali mertel gamaldile la grandma Direchuldak Katey o Giraked. Agi dirang masub dra ngira ibu o Paul Reklai mamle ngirongul la gobong masub dra bekal da dra ibu. Agi dirang masub dra ngiro tangli Matius masub dra bekal da marangal garangat edong emaim da alim. Kargabasang asub dra osisul gamaldile marangal gel aspangal esbeir al tlat madrangar marbibiringi maodal adi sikliga masub dra bekal da marangal emaim da alim mertel gamaldile. Peliliwa kim sub dara belitang yo itsingewo mabalang ulang wong mosub dara bekal dat marangal gemim dalim agi direngan mosub dara mau postor ramli mangas kesuk Abraham ngiduyos mosub dara dat ngaw regim sub dara ngalgel orings Thomas mamistro Moses mangas posub dara bekal ademim dalim mertel gamaldil agi mringa sulir arukwil ad yon langit radios melumkal tangat gidroguy sain ngiragargur Stephen Kyota
Tial subdel mulla reng stringi adiagal spedel madiagal tigingel malub engul deswel adias broadcasting company tiang aspedirar adlul top derngi haraorngi ko mal mesulang
Subdra maldira Captain Arvin Raymond. Tia subdra kodal lulul top derngi Saal William Tati Alfred wer mga millennia ngi Mark Trenchard Severio Joseph McClifton Oligong el masubdra maldil maaldadura Captain Arvin Raymond el ngalgelam lay Saal Raymond Kulas el mlosmer sera June 16, 2026 yakamaldil maaldadu amlamot rokok el mornira Sunday long truyem erung el gabsingil ongewi del buil Sunday July 12, 2026 abadangel ang galtargi da motobdra mor ratutara el clock 8 a.m. ra Sunday el July 12 el morablil el ngarayray el mga maldil motelyal sils el mo uragid malwaise agim subdar bekal admam rakablila ngar ulbelura ngayawra mamay madaalim edgay ngasew mangar along agim subdra yadraydik la Pastor Albert Maldangasang Chegor yung la maeriga Emmanuel mamosubdar bekal adad may madaalim edgay ngasew yang rar agim subdra karay madilbugd rangar adok mamay madaalim edgay ngasew tial albul yaol agim subdra ang truy at Reklai takriw Salvador Mort legislator Saburo Mort Sabina Termete Tamaselin Reklai mamosubdar bekal adad marangal may madaalim edgay ngasew a osisiul subdra kodal lamoran ngalgelamle or mga kla Cristina Pedro ra Veronica Pedro Walio Pedro Isim other day Pedro mamgas pasubdload may madaalim edgay ngasew osisiul subdra moran ngalgela Sare Ngirawngil Raberlinda Alilay Ngirawngil mamosub dara bebirakaw may madaalim edgay ngasew direkal Morakela Evalisto Arca mamay madaalim edgay ngasew agi direkal masub dara ngalgela Alfonsa Oligong La Lucien Oligong Bieb Oligong Masisilia Oligong mamay madaalim edgay ngasew a osisiul subdra maldil maaldadu amura ngalgela mlay Saal Raymond Kulas ra Ailes Raymond Sugrad mas menged Raymond mamosub dara bebiramiw may madaalim edgay ngasew direkal mura ngalgelam lay Saal Kalulaw Rabbi Buel Julio Kasuwo Edita Kasuwo Magrace Oitorong mamosub darbe piramiw may madaalim edgay ngasew direkal mura ngalgelam lay Saal Sandario Kulas Rap Pastor Balgu Sandario Sandra Kulas Marlon Sandario mamgas pasub daload may madaalim edgay ngasew agi direkal masub darang ngalgelam lay Saal Gabriel Gulas Ramarino Gabriel Rita Gabriel Ronald Chua Gabriel Machan Kale Gabriel mamgas pasub daload marbebi ramiw may madaalim edgay ngasew O sisulsub dra kamaldil maaldadu amoran ngalgela blong chiro, Rachuli chiro, Kalista Rafael, Frida Harvey, Joe Alfred, mangalgelamle uermangakl Juana Chiro, Rableni Chiro, Melanie Santiago, Ma-Albert Patrick, mangalgelam Masayugi Alfred, Rachie Saloel Alfred, May Madaalim edray ngasew. O sisiulsub damoran ngalgela ngatebong, Rakyoko Solang, Ngeradok Teruo, Louis Eriang Andres, Irul Ngirngasang, Edbert Mabel, Elvira Ebert Blanc, Edeline Mabel, Mary Brobesong, Maylin Solang, Mamosub drar adad marngal ge may madaalim edgay ngasew. Agidirek kalmasub drar ngalgela Yosko Simon, Radiray Bay, Fermina Ngiraingas, Mercy Ramaruy, Gregorio Ramaruy, Thomas Ramaruy, Masimon Ramaruy Jr., Mamgaspasub Daload, may madaalim edgay ngasew. Morangalgelamle, Uermangak, Lelhidego Joseph, Rahermano Tagesi, Maseverio Joseph, Mamosub darbe biragmiw, may madaalim edgay ngasew. Direkal morangalgela Masako Oreng, Sarapenito Oreng, sa marbe birakaw. Aisaal Wilfred Tati Alfred, Mauermangak Milenia Trencher, Amsub Drakablil Ra Miu, Radib Angel Sali, Ruut Cuy the Sisuko Sali, Adalbay Jackson Henry, Ebil Ara sa Mary Ann Dalmel, Pascuana Talay, Marichina Pyong Kangirutang, Mamosub Darabekal Adad Marangal Gratmiw, May Madaalim edgay ngasew. Aisaal William Tati Alfred, Mauermangak Milenia Trencher, Amsub Dar Adamamra Ngataab, Rabalilyo, Raobakalol Batros Basilio, Diltaab Carmen Kib, Agnes Margungain, Macloriay Dasyar, Mamosub darbekal adad marngal ge may madaalim edgay ngasew. Akmaldil maaldadu ra Captain Arvin Raymond, amlamot turko kalmorira Sunday el truy erul gabasingil el al ongewid el buil. Sunday, July 12, 2026, el moringira blil el ngarabalu rayray el motelyal sil se mo uraget. Kompmal masulang edibod kasweser sel sil sarambasang. Arubakal Dios lo maknaltanga targid rokuy. Kompmal masulang. Signed, Isaal William Tati Alfred, ngor ulbalu ngayawr. Subdra kamaldi ra Captain Arvin Raymond. O sisil subdra kamaldi maaldadu ra Captain Arvin Raymond, alaltob dringan ngalgelam lew ergamul ngirawngil, raw mga milenia ngimak Trencher, Clifton Oligong, Marino Gabriel, Pastor Balgu Sandario, el morar adamam ra kabli rabliu brangayawr, el kmo angalgela Raymond Kulas, ra Captain Arvin Raymond, amlamot turkok la kamaldil maaldadu uringi, el moringira Sunday el turi erul gabasingil el al ongewid el buil. July 12, 2026, el di moringira blil el ngarabalu rayray. Mangayaw rakabli rabliu, yagim subdraw ergamul Noro Naruo, madirgamul Clara Michael, mamosubdar adad marbebi regid, may madaalim edgay ngasew. Agidirek kalmasub dra malga Ramona Joko Petit, Orak Elia Kual, Ebil Raklub the Anchi Omi Kual Sumang, Madirangarngas Deborah Kual Oib, mamosub dar adad marbebi regid, may madaalim. Agidirek kalmasub dra ngalgelamle uergamul Tomei, Radirngar Mavalyang Katan Talay, Inaria Tomei, Marangalgela Veron Jesus, Ra Ignacio Santiago, Susan Balibay, Marbebi Ragamiw, may madaalim edgay ngasew. Agidirek kalmasub darangalgelamle uergamul Sintaro Kual, Rabolens, Maodal Rafrida Kual, Sibetang, may madaalim edgay ngasew. Akmaldil maaldadu ra Captain Arvin Raymond, amlamot turko kalmorira Sunday el trim erul gabsingil el al ongewid el buil. Sunday, July 12, 2026, el moringira blil el ngarayray, el motalyal sil se mo uraged. Kompmal masulang edibod kasweser sel sil saramasang. Yarubakal Dios lo maknaltangat targid rokuy. Kompmal masulang. Signed, Kani Biev Oligong for Ergamul Ngirawngil Side. O sisil subdra kamaldil. Tia o sisil subdra kamaldil laltobdra niya ngir ekalbay Kalisto Joseph, ngiramoay Adelino Santos, Oilal Ernest Ongidoble, Krakri ay Samrael Samsel, Runguruel Isid Tagisang, Maabir Dialul mo at targidra Ongeim Captain Arvin Raymond, amlos meer sira Tuesday, June 16, 2026, mabadingilang aramor emotor kaklan motobdra Sunday, July 12, 2026. Abadingil ngigal targida motobdra Palau Funeral Home and Chapel rangat kib Rayray ra 8 a.m. el morablil nga rangarusa Rayray e mga maldil mo talyalsil se mo uraged. Malwayse agim subdar adamam raygal bekal belu mamoyti taal sangmiu e may madakay nga sewer tial gamaldilen ngigal targid ra Ongeim Captain Arvin Raymond. Malwayse agim subdar adamam raygal bekal belu. Mangayang lagim subdar gaul adalbara sa Bangyol Francis Tamaungil maobi lulongong aholiba Albert mamo subdar bekal adad marangal e may madakay nga sewer tial gamaldil. Ngar along agim subdra obak rayabu Lorenzo Ngiramolaw madalala bulay giku Mochimaru mamo subdar ade may madakay nga sew. Ngiwa lagim subdar ngalgelamle Uang Ruyos El Timarong Ratchandek Timarong Maronal Timarong mamosubdar bebi ragmiu e may madakay nga sew. Agidirek kalmusubdar kawal Savior Ngiramayong mamosubdar bekal ad marangal e may madakay nga sew tial albul. Ngaramlanguy agim subdar kawal Sweni Ongidobl mamgas pasubdal bekal ad marangal e may madakay nga sew tial gamaldil. Agidirek kalmusubdar kawal Pascual Ongos mamosubdar bebi rakaw e may madakay nga sew tial albul. Ngatpang agim subdar kawal Francisca Otong mamosubdar ad marangal e may madakay nga sewer tial alsang. Agidirek kalmusubdar kal beekal dil evakyota, mamosubdar bekal ad e may madakay nga sew. Imali kagim subdar kawal diraklol blay, kyoye et pisong, tiyoko dukor, marangalgem, e may madakay nga sewer tial albul. Agidirek kalmusubdar kawal Governor Brownie Simer, marbebi rakaw, riirik Lucio Obacarbaw, mamgas pasubdal bekal ad e may madakay nga sew. Agidirek kalmusubdar ang algela badarngas mamis, rabarigul mamis, mamosubdar aru alem marbebi rakaw, e may madakay nga sewer tial mo mungulbong lalalsungul ngigal targid. Ayray agim subdar kawal Giraked yugi wabangokla, mamosubdar bebi rakaw, e may madakay nga sewer tial albul. Agidirek kalmusubdar kawal yaw arangasmus Frank Kyota, mamosubdar bebi rakaw e may madakay nga sew. Agidirek kalmusubdar ang algela kliw ngiramalgay rarol may marey, mamgas pasubdal bekal ad e may madakay nga sew. Agidirek kalmusubdar Lisa Borhat Matul, madira asel e mi ngiriklang, mamosubdar bebi ragmiw e may madakay nga sewer tial maasang. Agidirek kalmusubdar ang algela tulob, rahana tulob, mamosubdar bebi rakaw e may madakay nga sew. Direk kalspadal ang algela sakuray belelas, rabenard sakuray, mamosubdar bebi rakaw e may madakay nga sewer tial alsang. Orior agim subdra iadra derbey Ignatius Ngirmeril, Alonso Joseph, Victor Joseph, Talislaus Joseph, Ninus Cabrol, ma Willy Wally. Agidirek kalmusubdar kawal Hiromi Asanuma, Dirubid Talngay Yalab, Barbara Tulob, Evelyn Malteriong, Marcela Santos, Bani Meyong, Josefa Malsol, mamosubdar bebi ragmiw e may madakay nga sewer tial albul. Direk kalspadala Ailes Sukurad, mamosubdar admarangal e may madakay nga sew. Agidirek kalmusubdar ngalgela Wataruy Meyong, Rateo Miguel, mamosubdar bebi rakaw e may madakay nga sew. Direk kalspadala Inos Brands, rangalgela Kliw Ngiraydong, Ra Florencio Ngiraydong, mamosubdar bekal ad e may madakay nga sew. Rangalgela Veronica Meyong, rangalgela Roberta Mistru, Ra Dominina M. Tomei, marangalgela Juliana Imyong, Ra Adri Teo, ma Eloise Ramaliga, mamgas pasubdal bekal ad e may madakay nga sewer tial alsang. Agidirek kalmusubdar kawal Juanita Obiang, mamosubdar bebi rakaw. Makenya Mukay, mamosubdar bekal ad e may madakay nga sewer tial alsang. Agidirek kalmusubdar ngalgela Ngirarorwa, Ra Lawrence Ngirarorwa, mamgas pasubdal bekal ad e may madakay nga sewer tial albul. Direk kalspadala Hilaria Ichiro, Chibasang Ri, Jacinta Ri, Susan Leong, Leona Leong, mamgas pasubdal bekal ad e may madakay nga sewer tial albul. E ang agim subdar ngalgela Faustino Tirso, mamgas pasubdalo ad e may madakay nga sewer tial ulbong lalalsungul at targidra Ongeim Captain Arvin Raymond. Balilyo agim subdray Pic James Ngiraadeng, maudal ad Rosalyn the Mresabang, mamosubdar adra nga silyong, e may mam nga sukumam. Agidirek kalmusubdar Elsias Shalom et Pisong, mau Elbil Terry Ngirmang, mamosubdar adra Kramyus, e may mam nga sukumam. Ngayaw ragim subdar kawal Talob at Tonggo Gates, Rungul Belu Oscar Gates, Maramona Ongalibang, mamosubdar baby rakmiw, e may madakay nga sewer tial albul. Agidirek kalmusubdar Juliana Chiro, mamosubdar bekal ad e may madaalim mertial albul. Agidirek kalmusub darangalgel amle talob ad Yurigo Luis, Ratina Patros, Marbebirakaw, mamosub darabekal ad, may madakay ngasew. Agidirek kalmusub darakawal, ueramadeb Warren Fukoichi, mamosub darabebirakaw, may madakay ngasew. Agidirek kalmusub darangalgela Aulerio Tagisang, may madakay ngasew, Retial Alsang. Agik malolngit terkamiul adamam, Raigal Bekal Balu, Elmodekal Madungang Clear Retial Subda, Rakamaldilel Ngigal Targidra Ongeim Captain Arvin Raymond, malakabol makita ng miw, engklam nga tela subdaw ul, mamausubes, may madakay nga sewed aalim retial maasang. Et tirigel modekal sa bariral mayor tial mlamadungal sil sa rakamaldil, akmal diwngil basul, edidakalat karang lungu. Arubak, lolmol malamakngal tangat targid, matulungal gargid, kompmal masulang. Signed, Ngir Ekalbay Kalisto Joseph. Spadela tulungal grasa aduy, gabliraw alyaw, ngarkayuk labalilyaw. Tiasub drakmaldil maaldadu loltob niya adalbalu Kalisto Joseph, Chaniyaw, ngirongor Doroteo Nakata, other talwang Charles Obiang, Theophanus Isamu, Marisong Venice Rangul, El Morarogil Adrir El Ngarababaldab, Orior Mayoldab Elkbo, at Targid Raongeim Captain Arvin Raymond, Amlosme Raongerulurior, El June 16, 2026. Akmaldil, Lobangela Aldadu, Amlamot Roko Kalmoringira Sunday, July 12, 2026, el di moringi rabli lel ngarang rusar rabalu ray-ray. Kada mga maldi lel motalyal sil sa emo urage. Hindi ka ngalyok lel maalung kada mo kaltmok lel girel tialulbong lel alsungul ngal targid. Magim subdar adamam raygal balu. Mangar along agim subdar gawal dilbog mates skang Tricia ngiratrang momo subdar adad marangalga. Ngarar dagim subdar ngalgela Direklai rungul marangalgela orak koteb. Agidira kalmisubdra Esther Talams, ngir Oteo Caleb Uduy Jr., ngira Tangadik Wilbert, ngira Kamrang, Marbebi Ringi, Adalbayra Yati, Dwight Alexander, Marbebi Ringi, Marta Marcil, Marbebi Ringi, Jan Targong Jr., Marbebi Ringi. Ngas pasubdal bekalad, may madakay ngasew. Ngatpang agim subdra Siles, ngira Ramyang, Matansi ngira Ramyang, mamosubdra Bebi Ramiw, Marangal ka. Ngaramlunguy agim subdra Margaret Rangul, Liwen Shiro, Magi Antonio, Mamarensya, Mamay madakay ngasew. Agidira kalmasubdra Corina Rangulbay, Mamaurin France, Marangalgela Isawo Sishor, Mamay madakay ngasew. Ay malig agim subdra kawal Krakri ay Samrael Samsel, Marangalgem, Arvin Malosi, Malgarbes Kabay Siksay, Rangalgela Ngiru Elbad Siksay, Aldrin Wilfred, Mateo Linda, Mamgas pasub de may madakay ngasew. Agidira kalmasub dargawal lahay na mamis, maruudam, mamaltur radalmiw may madakay ngasew. Malgayo agim sub dargawal Betty Mongami, mamosub dar bebi rakaw. Ras tu elyaw ramar bebi rakaw, mamaltur radalmiw may madakay ngasew. Iray agim sub dra modangasang rakamsik, Ebil Risong Yosko Taaltoy, Obaad Kalaulbay Olgril, Iwong Baes, Omebael Basilius, Deborah Alibosang Marangalgel, Away Hidemi, Dosb Ngirayaol, Dirangas among Lay en Rungulbay, Ur Oib, Lia Sakumak Kyota, Shelby Masami, Carlisa Ngiralmaw, Dirulang Diolin Tamol, Tatanglel Rungul, Danachin Titiml, Oo Biyakar Marbebi Ringi, Chakwini Naruwo, Yorang Brigul, Delegate Stephanie Ngiroymay, Yur Oymay Daniel, Mamosub Darbebi Ramiw, Omgatal Blayok Ililaw, Matarga Rangames Blayok, Maria Tuti Mira, Anchi Tuti, Tasya Napoleon, Lavlin Rangul, Dolin Tel, Indira Tel Paloy, Along Tel, Shelly Siksay, Marcela Spis, Irang Rangu, lama legislator Royce Yoichi Arurang. Aruktama lagim subdara rabaal tagewo ngirmakur, ngirgiklang lomisang ngirmakur, mamosubdara ruuliw marangalga. Terbor Michael Mutok, Kennedy Mutok, legislator Mac Michael Mutok, Morgan Mutok, Raalul Garingang Mates, Fernando Gewi, Lloyd Gewi, Kesley Gewi, John Kennedy Maelwin Skilang, Kautaang Vince Blayok, Iadrabuk, Governor Norman Ngirataboyt, Senator Mason Ngirepang Whips, Rangul Ngirayaol, Sim Ngirayaol, Legislator Roydan Rangul, Kalins Tagewo, John Tuti, Larry Tuti, Mike Tuti, Davis Tamtreng, Carl Skilang, Ernie Skilang, rangalgela Herencio Hotel, Rasangye, Masasu, Omigo Ligertang, Singewo France, Wesley Metes, Toley Libosang, Ashley Etpisong, Carlos Etpisong, Arvin Dwight, Willes Marur, Manik Marur, Mosub Darbebi Ramiu, Kadwin Philip, Mosub Darbebi Rakaw, Warden Siksay, Kadul Siksay, Howard Uel, Hanson Uel, Charles Ngiralmau, Jackson Rengil, McClinton Freeze. Orior agim subdra Dilbug, Christina Sali Marngalgel, Tosco Arbadul, Senator Rugubay Gikuo Inabo, Marbebi Rengi, Tiratublay Debi M. Ramangasaw, Mlee Paulina Taway Marngalgel, Teodora Sibetang Miguel, Masiska Wataru Marngalgiw, Krete Williams Marngalgel, Mal Myotel Clolav Marngalgel, Kikuye Mertes Ngirngasang, Ebil Abbas Batildes Olal Marngalgel, Rakosuye Uegi, Legislator Nyo Uegi, Rangalgela Iblay, Klavik, Rakrace Rimir, Marngalgel Marbebiringi, Baslisa Ginto, Ebilevil Caroline N. Takava, Marbebiringi, Olivine Joseph, Janelle Oywerang Joseph, Macholin Motil Joseph, Israela Yao Reklai, Giovanna Yao Agray, Rangalgelamle Adelbelu Philip Kloluba, Raoreng Philip, Mashermain Bitalaul Igeda, Mosub Darbebi Ramiu. Turang Maad Hasinta Nakata, Haruye Nakata, Dil Oligong Terry Ngiraingas, Dora Benhart, Quindira Benhart Obodey, Melanie Islam, Doris Ito, Oidudul Siksay, Linda Michael, Berin Mariur, Dilbos Uel, Jewi Numang, Damiana Michael, Colebrang Michael, Kalalbay Tablak, Shirley Esuroy M. Sangbao, Albong Walter Miguel, Ngerak Rose Raur, Janet Tewid, Jeanette Rebes Ito, Jennifer Ngwal, Dilbos Sherry Siro, Mlame Ongino, Rina Ongino, Kokoy Rungul, Wendy Bauloong, Sarah Cabrol, Christiana Ngiramos Asanuma Marbebi Ringi, Ngalom sa France, Kathleen Shiro Marbebi Ringi, En Wakakoro, Bernice Isawo Sishor, Jacinta Oyama Marbebi Ringi, Liz Isims, Maria Ardoor, Chris Joseph, Molina Skilang, Marcela Olwal, Kailani Kini, Dilub Asamil, Bayriang Sasawo Avalbay, Suset Marilu Santos, Sofia Sid, Gloria Masami, Sabet Masayosi, Juliet Ri, Shomi Masayosi, Ana Katlob, Elaine Camilus, Fidela Model, Johnny Gasoley, Teo Sanday, Matarga Rabadabi, Atanasia Sebaklim, Anchela Ngiraloy, Mda Julia Oib, Maalbay Lucia Oib, Momosub Darbebi Ramiu. Aruk Tamal, Agim Subdra Thomas Ngirarigel, Alons Joseph, Dabdeb France, Radasom Latoni Adelbay Marangalgel, President Surangal Whips Jr., Dwight Masami Maruulel, Tony Rimir, Ben Gaitpat Ngiraged, Hector Tatingal, Fraser Bauloong Marbebi Ringi, Riang Yosino, Gus Taway, Dwayne Masami, Rulug Philip, Obakalol Peter Napoleon, Clyde Napoleon, Byron Napoleon, Ace Gikuo, Christian Isamu, Alduk Cabrol, Larry Wakakoro, Antero Boysek, Radis Model, Jesus Sus Sishor, Harvey Sishor, Walter Mariur Jr., James Ngiraramyang, Alphonse Nakata, Legislator Job Kikuo, Eric Whips, Legislator Olgari Liao, Cyril Fujimi, Eric Nakamura, Kenny Leduy, Ahas Kikuo, Johnny Mongami, Ma Armstrong, Polo Debelbot. Belilyo agim subdra, Obadraw Alyo Sabet Isamu, Talat ka France Balwong, Emigo Sabino, Nora Sishor, Mariana Postol, Marchi Blelay, Narit Rabong, Mercy Isims, Rangalgela Smith Olgaril, Rangalgela Edwait Mingirarwa, Ngirngatpak Numbert Napoleon, Andres Napoleon, Hayes Kahuye, Alphonse Samil, Elwais Samil, Einer Gabrol, Van Harusi, Legislator Billy Marbebi Ringi, Dennis Oisawang, Mamadrang R. Girino Nakata. Agidirek kalmasub dal morangalgela Adalbail Airway, Rarangul Yusim Makui, u Erosom Benhart Thomas, Rubay Mayumiram League, Tangalbad Makuy, Maprisila Sualablay, Elizabeth Rideb, Lulu Tuur, Maudibong Basilio, Mamosubdar Adad Marngal, May Madray Ngasew. Kalmulareng sa ringil sub, the Aspadela Kamaldile, Eldadu, Ratargidra Ongeim, Captain Arvin Raymond, Elmlosmera Ongerulurior, Elmletun 16, 2026. Akamaldi, Lobangela Aldadu, Amlamotro Kolmornira Sunday, July 12, 2026. Eldi Mornira Blila Ongeim, Captain Arvin Raymond, El Ngarang Rusar, Rabalu Ray. Alangarngiar Adamam, Emlo Robtakla, ang clear, lengklam ngatel tial subdaul, egik malayamar, olingit malakalbol maknitaran rir, elmay magimgay ngasew. Dira kalkmal bato ka alsang, eklo atretra, marmodekal sab rir elmay, ngkmal diwngil basul, edidagalat karang lungu. Kompmal masulang, yarubak kal Dios, lobang gather rokuy. Signed, Adal Balu Kalistot Joseph, Chani Yao, Ngirongor Doroteo Nakata, Other Talwang Charles Obiang, Teofanus Isamu, Riso Dennis Rangula. Subdra Kamaldil Maaldadu. Matyanga Subdra Kamaldil Maaldadu, Loltob the Rangul Yusim Makuy, Mau Erosomel Benhart Thomas, Ongetiu Hector Tatingal, Madirekal Rangul Eric Saburo, Maongeim Jackson R. Ngirayngas, may other nga these Haim Regisiwang, El Moraro Will Dagawad, Madgavang Elad, El Ngarababaldab, Orior Mayoldab Mo, at Targid, Engalgedra Ongeim Captain Arvin Raymond, Amlokodong al Morakamang Talulungul, Lersera June 16, 2026. Mabadingil ang aramor, kem lamol terok lakamaldi, maaldaadu, el moringira Sunday, el truy merung al gabasingila onge with al buil, Sunday, July 12, 2026. El di moringira blil, el ngarang arusa, rabaluray-ray, makadang mga maldi il motalyal sils, eng mauraged. Hindi ka ngaliok al maalung, makardi mokal girel tiyang lulbong al sungul ngigal targid, Engalgedra Ongeim Captain Arvin Raymond. Malwaysay agim subd, olngitrar adama malngaraygal balu, mamay madakay ngasew eda alim. Mangayang alagim subdra ab hens takawo marbebiringi, inawo Sebaklim, masiska skiwo, mamosubdra adamarngal may madaalim eda kay ngasew. Ngar along agim subdra asabres Brownie Salvador, or the Orskang, Tet Sing Ichi Sato, Yusim Sato, Rangalgela Oragivil Bieb Sato, Rangalgela Mley Adrairik Rungu Loklol Ad, Rangalgela Gigrel Ad, Rangalgela Shiro Badul, Rangalgela Yosinawa Ubdey, Mamosubdrar Ad, Marangalga. O lagim subdra klol o lablu James Miwata Alid Adong Marbebi Ringi, Rangalgela Taabuy Naito, Rangalgela Pergay Santos, Ikregedra Sears Tobias Guad, Marbebi Ringi, Marangalgela Rolmi, Rakaleb, Marmas Kalsong. Tuhubet sa spadam, amura sisuye, siwe Bosil Solang, former Senator Philip Reklai, mamosubdra bebi rangamiw, may madaalim edakay ngasew. Ngarar nagim subdra, other nga this, Haim Regisiwang Maruulel, yarangalgela orak koteb, egawal husiye orak sa alboy, mautakang mamsubdra adad marangalga. Yailakal spadam, amura, dil adalbay Veronica Arbadul, former Governor Benjamin Iskawa, Magayki Iskawa, mamosubdar bebi rangamiw, may madaalim edakay ngasew. Ngartma agim subdar Arbadul Raged, Rungul Masahiro, Diruay Tamngil, Dirngar Kapay, Baulang Gumangay, Marangalgelam Lebyo sa kasiro demga, mamosubdar adad marangalged, may madaalim edakay ngasew. Ngatpang agim subdra former speaker Siles Ngiraramyang Marbebi Ringi, mamosubdar adad marangalged, may madaalim edakay ngasew. Imilig agim subdra rungulbay Antonio Ngirturong, madirungulbay Saryang Tmatk, Ebil Hermana Umetaro Marbebi Ringi, Naomi Erongos, Maaplonya Ngir Eol, mamosubdar adad marangalged, may madaalim edakay ngasew. Iray agim subdra Ongetiu Ailes Raymond Sukurad, Marbebi Ramiw, Carol Ngiraydi, Rangalgela Taro Regisiwang, Ra Elin Maelmera Siositaro, Marbebi Ramiw, Rangalgela Giwar Blayok, Ravins Blayok, Maomgatal Blayok Ililaw, Agi Olingit Mamay Madaalim, edakay ngasew. Oryo Ragim Subdra Carmen Kel, Dira Umrang Bebi Kel Sabal, Luisa Philibert Kumangay, Lulu Tuur, Tasya Kuad Marbebi Ringi, Blue Ongil Marbebi Ringi, Flora Kalu Marbebi Ringi, Marching Irimidol Swalablay Marbebi Ringi, Albinava Albay Marbebi Ringi,
igalaw ngiradong sa marbebiringi, Mary wenti adalbay, Sianrang wenti sabang, Dion wenti ngiray galaw, rangalgela Naomi Sabino, Ra Antonio Sabino, Machudien Sabino tiitong, rangalgela Haruo regisiwang, Ra Rosemina Haruo marbebiringi, Francis Mayar, Maobo Linda Mayar Avatsi marbebiramiw, Mangalil Alex R. Ngirayngas, Kandi Ngirmidol Marbebirakaw, Siskat Kel, Agi Oltur Garakaw, Elme Angalgem Ratchefri Kel Marbebiringi, Lawrence Katabangang Marangalgem, Benhart Thomas Marangalgem, Ongetiu Hector Tatingal Marangalgem. Yailea Kalspadam, Amora Adalbalu Galisto Joseph, Maoba Adraw Alyo Sabet Isamu, Rabaal Tagewo Ngirmukur, Ngirgiklang Lomisang Ngirmukur, Ngmal Lamyot Loklaulaad, Madilbug Vetina Sali, Modangasang Sabo, Ebileville Caroline Nakamura Takada, Yadar Taluang, Charles Yar Obiang, Mamosub Daradad, Ratulungal Grasa Aduy, May Mamngasumam Rakamaldilel, Aldadu, Ringigal Targidra Ongeim Captain Arvin Raymond. Palilyo Agim Subdrangul Eric Saburo, Rugubay Mayumi Ramli, Marangalgem, Rasmol sa Priscilla Soalablay, Ongetiu Olympia Ongil Amano, Tokiet Kel, Mangalgem Ravayan Kel, Rangalgela Berta Kasaw, Valerie Robat, Marbebi Ringi, Lordesque Masa Marbebi Rakaw, Ongeim Jackson Ngiraynga sa Marangalgem, Yaad Chin Kel, Quincy Kel, Lucky Ngiradong sa Rangalgela Sawad Regesiwang, Raklara Sawad Joseph, Marbebi Rakaw, Dirakabangang Sadakos Mau, Maemri Wenti, Marbebi Rakamiw, Dirangarbu Hilaria Amalay, Marbebi Rakamiw, Mautangan Masubdar Adad Marangalge, Dertial Albul, Agidirek Kalmasubdar Ngingatpak Lambert Napoleon, Ongetiu Andres Napoleon, Obakalol Peter Napoleon, Madilpak Gego Nakamura Bedor, Mamosubdar Bebi Rakamiw, May Madaalim, Edkay Ngasew. Agidirek Kalmasubdar, Uel Magdiw Susumu Mori, Marbebi Ringi, Rangalge Laklay Kosiba, Ra Esther Marbebi Ringi, Mamautangal May Madaalim, Edkay Ngasew. Yato Kubet Selspadam, Amuradirangar Madalyang Katarina Tomei Talay, Mamosubdar Bebi Rakaw, May Madaalim, Mertial Albul. Ngayaw Ragim Subdra, Rangul Yusim Makuy Marangalgem, Rugubay Tangalbad Makuy Marangalgem, Ratmol sa Isabela Rideb Marangalgel, Ueldig sa Natus Miss, Mawadalav Feliciana Miss, Richard Miss Marbebi Rakamiw, Mamad Graham Rideb, Mamosubdar Adad Marangalged, May Madkay Ngasew. Yakmal Tokubet Selsub, da Mortilia Roguil Dakawaad, Rakabli Lamatalungal, Elmlodya Kalobas ang clear, Lengklamgatela Subdaul, Elolngit Malakal Bol Maknita Rang Miw, May Madaalim, Edkay Ngasew, Ertial Gamaldilele, Aldadu Ringigal Targid, Ongeim Captain Arvin Raymond, El Moringira Sunday, July 12, 2026, El Di Moringira Blilel Ngarang Rusar, Rabaluray Ray. Madakumpmal Masulang, Edolngit Rarubakal Dios, Madilbloel, Lobangged, Elomakngal Tanga Targid Rokuy. Signed, Rangul Yusim Makuy, Rugubay Tangalbad Sanayem Makuy, Rangul Eric Saburo, Rugubay Mayumi Ramlig.
Tial subdel mulla reng stringi, Adiagal Spedel, Madiagal Tigingel, Malub Engul de Suela Dias Broadcasting Company, Tiang Aspedirar Adlul Top Dringi, Eharaorngi, Kohmal Mesulang.
WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station.
Hello, Palau. This is Dias Broadcasting Company. Come and do business with us. Other media businesses, you pay GRT or PTST. We pay all taxes and you pay nothing. We do business and pay later. Masulang.
WWFM is owned and operated by Dias Broadcasting Corporation. Our office is located on the hilltop of Ngermid Hamlet, broadcasting on two different frequencies, 88.5 MHz and 89.5 MHz 24/7, with a transmitting power of 450 watt each transmitter. WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station. WWFM is now accepting your business 24/7. Just simply call us at 488-5771 from 7:30 to 5 p.m. or 488-2177 or 775-0441 after working hours. Oy, sine. What do you mean, oy, sine? Oh, correct. Asahi Super Dry. Number 1. So smooth, so crispy, so fresh, and tastes good, man. In America, that's what we drink too. In PI, I tell you, pare, we drink it too because it's number 1. In Palau, we drink it too because you know why? It's good with sashimi. It is sold throughout Palau. Akarakuchi Island beer, Asahi Super Dry, number 1. Looking for Palauan oldies or American oldies or latest music? WWFM Music Store is open to serve you. You can now make your own personalized CD or download music to your iPod, MP3 player, USB, and cell phone. WWFM Music Store is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday. Call 488-5771 for more information. You're listening to station WWFM. Stay tuned for Fox News.
A surprise in a U.S. Senate race. I'm Lisa Brady, Fox News.
I wanted to directly address the troubling, serious, and false allegations against me.
Democrat Graham Plattner, who won a June primary in Maine, just posting a video denying what an ex-girlfriend told Politico, that he drunkenly forced her to have sex after she told him to stop. Plattner says any accusation of non-consensual behavior is categorically false.
Regardless of the inaccuracy of the reporting, but mindful of the political reality it will inflict, we are taking the time to reflect on the best path forward.
Plattner, who's faced a series of controversies and allegations, is trying to unseat Republican Senator Susan Collins. Under state law, party officials can choose a new nominee if the primary winner withdraws by a July 13th deadline. Prosecutors in Utah laying out what they argue is enough evidence to send Tyler Robinson to trial for the killing of Charlie Kirk, beginning a preliminary hearing with testimony from a police officer who was at Utah Valley University that day.
Robinson's lead defense attorney, Catherine Nestor, cross-examined this officer. He says there was not metal detectors on campus that day and that he doesn't know for certain which direction the gunshot came from. Now, the officer says after he heard the gunfire, he went onto the gravel-lined roof of the building that prosecutors say Tyler Robinson used as the sniper point to shoot Kirk.
Fox's Matt Finn at the courthouse in Provo, where the hearing is expected to last all week. Both President Trump and the FIFA president rejecting any favoritism after FIFA reversed a red card decision allowing a U.S. striker to play against Belgium tonight.
People in Belgium, if they win the game, they can be very proud. If they would win the game with a player missing, it would have been a different feeling. You can't do that. And I'm very glad all I did was ask for a review. I didn't say you have to do this.
Belgium's appeal of the reversal was deemed inadmissible today. America is listening to Fox News. The U.S. Supreme Court will not intervene at this point in the legal fight over a Texas law requiring proof of age and parental consent for minors to have access to certain apps.
The High Court's decision, handed down in a one-sentence release without explanation, allows Texas to enforce its App Store Accountability Act passed last year. It requires those under 18 years old to be linked to a parent's account who must approve certain downloads. A group that includes Apple, Google, and a student coalition challenged and got an injunction on free speech grounds, but a federal appeals court overturned it by ruling that Texas has a compelling interest in protecting children. The Supreme Court's decision allows the Texas law to stand while arguments on First Amendment grounds continue. Gernal Scott, Fox News.
Before heading to a NATO summit in Turkey, President Trump warning again that if there's no deal with Iran, he'll finish the job.
I'd rather make a deal because I don't want to affect 91 million people. We can knock down their bridges in 1 hour.
Talks with Iran are paused for now during a funeral for the supreme leader who was killed on day one of the conflict. Demand for Team USA FIFA jerseys has been skyrocketing.
This is nearly impossible to find across the U.S., definitely in the host cities, because these are selling so fast. The reason that Classic Football Shirts has this available in store is they got the shipment this weekend. They put them out, and we've been seeing customers pick them up. And that's what we're really seeing across the board. Retailers like Nike, they say that sales are up 250% compared to this period during the 2022 World Cup. Fans are excited. They can't get enough.
Fox Business's Madison Allworth in New York City. Kickoff for the U.S. and Belgium's round of 16 matchup is 8 Eastern tonight on Fox. A record day on Wall Street with the Dow topping 53K. I'm Lisa Brady, Fox News.